Hello, today I wanted to talk to you guys on how to choose a brokerage. This is really important for new realtors who haven't signed up with a broker yet, or for existing realtors who have signed up with a broker, but they are now wanting to choose a different broker for one reason or another. And so I wanted to create this video so that you guys would know what questions to ask and what to look for in a brokerage. And, when I was starting out, I didn't know all of the questions to ask. I just knew, the three main questions, such as what is the commission split? What do they offer? What freebies and training do they offer? But there's so much more to it than just that. So I wanted to make sure that I give you guys as much information as possible. So that's why I created this quick video on how to choose a brokerage. And I hope that it answers all of your questions. And if not, then just go ahead and reply in the Facebook group, and we'll go ahead and see if we can help you get some more information. How to choose a brokerage. First, you want to be able to ask several questions. And here's a list of some of the questions to ask. Number one, commission split. So every broker has a different commission split and a different cap. Those are the two numbers that you want to know about. You want to know what percentage they will take off of each closing, and you want to know what their annual cap will be. So after every year, the commission restarts. And so you want to be able to find out what the cap is and what the percent of commission is. Second, you want to ask about technology. Every broker offers different types of technology. Some offer none, some offer a lot. Some offer things that are very useful and other things that you may not ever use. A lot of the times the brokers will charge you a monthly fee to have access to this technology, but they do offer it. And so that way you don't have to be able to search for technology on your own. And a lot of times it's linked to their own specific individual broker software as well. Availability. You want to find out if you can call your broker day or night, weekday or weekends. There will be a lot of times where you'll be doing work in the evenings and on the weekends, and you will have questions and you will need an answer ASAP. So ask about the broker's availability. Make sure that they will let you contact them on their cell phone and not just the office phone. 4 is training. Each broker may offer training to help you in specific areas of real estate. Some training classes include ways just to help buyers, sellers, investors, or military. These can be offered through the broker, and some classes like this can even be offered through your local real estate commission. So ask about training. Next is, what do they offer? A lot of times brokers will offer some things for free, like marketing supplies or an office. Other times it will not be for free. So again, if you get marketing supplies, maybe the first 3 signs you'll get will be free, but then after that you have to pay. Again, with offices, I've had different brokers where they don't charge me any money, and then other brokers where they charge me per month. So ask what they offer and whether there's a fee or not. 6, what do they pay for? Some brokers will pay for name tags, signs, and a car wrap. Some may even pay for business cards. Some will not. So ask what they will pay for and what they will give for free, and ask them which companies they can get marketing supplies from, because a lot of the brokerages have a relationship with marketing companies, and you will get a discount if you order your marketing supplies through your broker. And ask them how long the brokerage has been in business. You want to make sure that they have good credibility. You want to make sure that they've been around for a while, that they're well established, because you don't want them to go out of business after a year or two, because then you'd have to pay more money for all new marketing supplies. You won't be able to take your marketing supplies from one brokerage to the next brokerage because they all have different names and different logos and different colors. How close is their office to your home? You want to be able to think about that because you will be having to spend time and gas driving to and from. Of course, some realtors work from home, so that's not as big of a deal. But if you plan on working at your broker's office on a regular schedule, then find out how close they are to your home office so you can calculate time and money for gas. Thank you for watching. Follow me on social media, and I'll see you on the next video.